This is the National Weather Service in Elko to bring you a weather brief for an upcoming strong wind event that will impact the region tomorrow. Confidence is high that a strong wind event will bring moderate impacts to central and northern Nevada on Monday. Model solutions continue to agree that a cold front will bring strong winds along with colder temperatures to the region tomorrow. The cold front that will be responsible for the strong wind event is currently over the Pacific Northwest, moving southeastward. High pressure remains in control for today, which is resulting in 60s and 70s across the area. The cold front sags southward into the area tonight and should be passing through Winnemucca and Elko early tomorrow morning. Most of the strong winds are behind the front, so expect wind gusts to rapidly increase once the front passes. Although most of the moisture with this front will stay north of the state, higher terrain areas of Humboldt and Elko counties will see snow showers. The front continues to sag south and east through the day, completely clearing the area by 5 p.m. Very strong winds will be present in eastern and southern parts through the evening hours, while areas in the north and west will see winds subsiding. These strong winds are also likely to kick up dust. Due to the strong wind event, wind advisories and high wind warnings are posted for the entire forecast area. Neighboring weather offices in Salt Lake City and Reno have also issued wind advisories and warnings. Basically, travel along I-80 from Reno to Salt Lake will encounter very strong winds for most of tomorrow. In addition, snow showers are possible along the higher terrain with areas of blowing dust in the valleys. Specifically, wind advisories are in place starting at 5 a.m. for Humboldt, Eureka, Lander, and southwestern Elko counties ending around 8 p.m. For Northern Nye and White Pine, the wind advisory begins at 10 a.m. ending around 8 p.m. The high wind warning goes into effect for Elko County at 5 a.m. ending around 8 p.m. Although winds will subside in the overnight hours, they will still be fairly strong along the Utah-Nevada border. This image depicts maximum wind gusts. Strongest gusts are expected in northern and eastern Elko counties due to the orientation of the wind, northwest, which will enhance the downsloping effect on the east side of the north to south mountain ranges. Ruby Valley and Wendover are favorite locations for this effect. The cold front will also usher in some much colder air. Compared to today, tomorrow's highs will be up to 25 degrees colder. Combine this with strong winds, it'll definitely feel like late winter. Southern parts of the area will not see this drop in temperatures until the afternoon. To summarize, it'll be a very windy and much colder day tomorrow with gusts reaching or succeeding 60 miles per hour in some locations. Motorists are advised to exercise caution while traveling due to crosswinds and reduction in visibility from blowing dust or showers. Winds will subside tomorrow evening. This has been a web brief on the potential impacts and hazards of an upcoming strong wind event from the National Weather Service in Elko. For the latest weather watches, warnings, and advisories, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/elko. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for listening.